could have predicted the dismantling of the Mamta and Abhishek hold over the TMC post-election debacle. It's not one or two, but scores of leaders leaving. And not just those on the sidelines, prominent central figures of the party are in rebel mode. From assembly with newly elected MLAs, Lok Sabha MPs forming a rebel group, and even Rajya Sabha MPs quitting. There is no arm of the party that is left unaffected, and now the demand is very clear. Either Mamta Banerjee picks Bhaipo Abhishek or saves her party. So which one will it be? Kalyan Banerjee, one of the long-standing loyalists of Mamta Banerjee, had to say after Abhishek picked a different lawyer for one of his cases. He slammed Abhishek's politics as AC room politics. He then issued an ultimatum: either Mamta picks me or Abhishek. And if Didi insists that the party cannot run without Abhishek, he says, then he will exit. Now, he is not an ordinary leader of the TMC. He is someone who has so far backed Mamta Banerjee and the TMC. He's also someone who's faced attacks from the rebels. Meanwhile, the exits from Rajya Sabha refused to end after Sukhendu Sekhar Roy and Susmita Dev just yesterday. Another TMC MP from North Bengal has quit, not just as a party MP, but also from the party itself. And he has stated that he is doing so because he wants to respect the mandate from the public during the elections, especially in North Bengal, where he comes from. It's not just about what's happening in the higher echelons of the party membership though. On ground, the swell of anger against TMC leaders hasn't subsided, especially those who were accused of extortion and corruption, making lives of regular Bengalis so difficult that they keep facing these egg attacks even a month after result day. So earlier today, eggs were thrown on TMC leader Sukumar Dutt while being taken to court, and just 2 days ago, TMC leader Sabyasachi Datta faced protests and public outrage. Eggs and even allegedly cow dung were thrown at him while he was also being produced before a court following his arrest in connection with an extortion case. Normally, you see this kind of public reaction when despotic fascist regimes are finally overthrown, or when communist regimes fall, for example. One of the faces of that kind of a rule, Jahangir Khan, was paraded through the Falta area, which he was a constant member from, by police on Thursday after his arrest in connection with extortion and other charges. Khan, who is currently in police custody, was arrested near the India-Nepal border in North Bengal's Panitanki area on Monday. Just another leader of the TMC accused of running extortion networks, now facing the long arm of the law.